Hi, I'm Donna from Kelowna, and I just want to say that I'm incredibly grateful to Charissa and to doing the pillars of prosperity or plenty, and that it's amazing what she's brought into my life. Um, I faced challenges with money, and I found her workshop was well organized, but also presented in a caring and careful manner. And it kind of helped me sort out the disconnect in my mind about money by delving into the rich sources of the Bible, things that I hadn't really understood before. But my identity before was like stress and fear of past mistakes and kind of disconnects in how a money mindset about men are supposed to make the money and provide, as was happened in my family. But then I realized that my business doesn't have to be like a wilted plant, because all these biblical money mindsets are so helpful, because I realized that both men and women are called to prosper and serve generously. And I love that she kind of untangled the complexities surrounding money, like, so it kind of bridged the gap between my old beliefs, and I had some newfound beliefs because of the way that she talked about scriptures. And so her teachings opened my eyes to the concept of redemption as a financial term. And also, but that is our redemption. We're already redeemed by Jesus. And so now it's up to me to show the outrageous generosity and offer the best in my business and price my services confidently. I'm inspired to grow a thriving business, knowing that God is cheering me on and He is cheering you on. And now I understand that when our businesses flourish, it reflects God's character because we serve a generous God. So if you ever have the chance to do this workshop, it's amazing and it will transform your business. And if you take the special VIP sessions, you will also feel so understood and like Charissa is your new best friend. So just go ahead and take this amazing transforming workshop. Thank you.